Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix Telegram email login issue. Now, if you're experiencing login problem with Telegram related to your email, here are some steps you can fix in order to solve your issue. So in order to fix it, what you need to do is first thing, check your internet connection. So while you're trying to log into your account, maybe you have a poor internet connection, and that might be the reason why you're unable to log into your account with your email address. Apart from that, you can also double check that you're entering the correct email address associated with your Telegram account. Typos in your address can lead to a login failure. After that, what else you can do is you can also reset your password. Now, if you've forgotten your Telegram password or having trouble logging in, you can try resetting your password or updating your information. On the Telegram login page, click the forgot password or trouble logging in. Follow the prompt to reset your password. You will likely receive an email with instruction on how to reset your password. Sometimes password reset email or verification email for Telegram may end up in your spam or junk folder. Check these folder in your email account for any messages from Telegram. Now, apart from that, you can also check your two-step verification. If you have enabled two-step verification enabled for your Telegram account, you will need to enter the authentication code sent to your email when logging from a new device or after resetting a password. You can also use a correct login news. Now, ensure that you're using an official Telegram login page. Beware of phishing websites that mimic Telegram login page to steal your credentials. Apart from that, you can also clear cache as well as storage. For that, you need to long press on your Telegram application and then click on app info icon, go to storage and cache, click on clear cache as well as clear storage. After that, try logging into your account and you might be able to fix the issue. Now, in some cases, login may be due to temporary issue on Telegram's end. If that's the case, you may need to wait for the team to resolve the problem. So in this way, you can fix your Telegram email login issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.